So you guys can see right here, original PCV. There's 2 clamps that you guys take out from here to here, okay? And then after that, you guys will install the bigger one going to here, okay? And then this other one, routing it right over here to here, and then you clamp it together. You're gonna need a socket that is for this too, which is 4 millimeters. Allen, tighten it down after you tighten the screws down, as you guys can see. And this is the routing, how it goes. You tighten this down by hand. This thing right here is a 17 millimeter. You take this bolt out and you put this bracket right in here and you tighten it down. And that is all you guys have to do for the Boomba racing. And this is good for helping minimize carbon buildup on your direct injection intake valves. Thanks, and you're welcome.